Hi, I'm Louise Brakey from Brakey & Co, and I thought I'd give you a quick update with regards to what's been happening in the Wigan property market in September. So it's been a really busy time, probably due to schools going back, but also possibly due to interest rates coming down too. So what I'm going to do is run through a few statistics with you just so you can see what kind of numbers we're talking about. Now, in the month of September, new properties that came onto the Wigan market this year was 413. Last year, it was 389. So not a massive difference there. With regards to the sales this September, 247 properties were sold. Last year, 288 were sold. So again, we're only 40 houses behind, which is really encouraging because we have had a quieter market this year. Now, with regards to reductions, this is really interesting. This year, we've reduced in the Wigan property market 250 properties compared to only 146 properties that got reduced last September. So that's more than 100 houses that have been reduced that are on the market currently. And I think people have done this because they're trying to bring the prices in line with the current market conditions. So it does say to me that any sellers, they are serious sellers at the moment. Now, completions, 82 houses completed in September of this year in Wigan compared to 225 of last year. This is a massive drop, and it could be to do with the mini budget of last year when everything kind of went on hold. So what does this mean if you're looking to buy a home? Well, activity is holding up really well, especially amongst first-time buyers, but we're seeing them searching for smaller homes to offset the higher price of borrowing. So we do expect house prices to continue to fall into the next year, but we do think it's going to be a gradual fall rather than a sudden decline. And if you're looking to buy or you're saving for a deposit or you need to budget for higher mortgage costs, then any drop in asking price is probably welcome news. Now, there's been signs of activity starting to pick up with sellers. They've been helping the number of properties come to market. They've jumped by 12% in the first week of September in comparison to August of this year. We've also seen small steps towards improved affordability as mortgage rates are continuing to fall. Now, the average 5-year fixed mortgage rate at the moment is below 5.30%, which again is really encouraging. You're also likely to find more homes available for sale in the Wigan property compared to the same time during the pandemic, but we've still not got as many homes available on the market today than we did have in 2019. So the average time to find a buyer now is 55 days compared to 61 days in 2019, which was just before the pandemic. I would say any Wigan home that's priced right from the start, they're still attracting multiple buyers and they're trying to compete to secure a home for them. So anybody that is looking, then I don't feel that they can just sit back and wait. They do need to act quickly. So what does this mean if you're thinking of selling? Well, the number of sales being agreed is now 15% lower than this time in 2019. And this is because higher mortgage rates are meaning that buyers are having to pause their moving plans for now, only for now, but those people that can move, buying a home still remains an attractive option for them. And they're preferring buying rather than renting because the rental market is manic at the moment and prices are sky high in the rental market. Much larger than usual price drops this month indicates that some sellers are pricing competitively for the Wigan market conditions to attract a buyer. In my opinion, homes that are priced right the first time rather than priced too high only to reduce later on are more likely to find a buyer, but more importantly, they're more likely to find a buyer quickly. Now, looking at homes that have successfully found buyers, properties that are priced right from the outset are finding a buyer on average in 27 days, less than half of the 66 days that it takes if the asking price is reduced after it's come to the market. I hope you found this review interesting, and if you do want any further updates with regards to anything to do with houses, then give me a call or drop me an email. Thank you.